that the Diwali is coming, right? So in this video we gonna learn that how can we make a kandil for ourselves at home. Okay, we gonna make a kandil like this, not exactly the same but something like this. Okay, so for making this kandil, the stuff we required, we need a paper cup to make this. Okay, then for the base we need a colored paper or a glazed paper. Okay, then a ribbon, or if ribbon is not available you can take any thread also. Okay, and glitter sheet. This glitter sheet, something like this, which you can hang like you can see in this picture, this pom pom is hanging in this kandil, right? So we will use this ball. Okay, and obviously glue, scissor and some stones to decorate. Okay, so let's start. So first, to make a kandil we gonna cover this cup with this colored paper. हम इस कप को इस कलर्ड पेपर से कवर करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स डू दिस. And after covering this cup will look something like this. Now the next step is to cut some stripes from this glitter sheet. Okay, to decorate it. हम इसकी कुछ strips cut करेंगे like 5 or 6, and then we will paste it on this cup. Now do this with me. And the strips are ready. Now take a cup and first make a hole at the center. Okay, here with any pointed thing, like I am using here a pencil. So here is a pencil, and now I'm gonna make a little hole with this, and it's done. Now take a thread or ribbon, and after that take both of the edges of this ribbon. इन दोनों के जो लास्ट के एंड हैं इनको लीजिएगा, and then pass these ends through this hole like this. Okay, फिर आपको इसे पास करना है इस होल में. So you have to make something like this. Okay, so that you can hang this kandil. आपको इससे कंडील को हैंग करना है, इसलिए आपको कुछ ऐसा बनाना है. सो दिस द लेंथ ऑफ दिस यू कैन टेक बाय योर चॉइस, आप अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से ले सकते हैं. सो एंड आफ्टर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक अ थिक नॉट. आपको एक बहुत ही थिक नॉट बांधनी है यहाँ पे, सो दैट द रिबन वॉन्ट कम आउट. ओके, जिससे कि जो रिबन है वो बाहर ना आए. सो एक थिन नेट बनाइए, नॉट लाइक दिस. ओके, see, and now it will not come out from this. Now we gonna decorate it. Now we gonna paste all the glitter sheets that we cut at the cup. Okay, like this. And it's done. See, and now I have some pieces left of this glitter sheet here. Okay, मेरे पास कुछ ही टुकड़े रह गए थे. So now I'm gonna paste all these pieces at the top of this कंडी. See, like this. Now to decorate it more, इसको और decorate करने के लिए I'm gonna use these stones. Whatever stones are available at your home, you can use those. Okay, these stones are available for me, so I am using these stones. Now gonna stick these at the kandi like this. After decorating it, it will look something like this. See, beautiful. Yes. Now our last part is we gonna hang this ball in with this ribbon. Okay, like here. So you can use anything like which can replace this ball. Okay, you just need something that you can hang in this कंडील. आपको बस एक ऐसी चीज़ चाहिए जो आप इस कंडील में हैंग कर सकें. So let's hang it. And it's done. Now see, you can hang this like this at your home. See how beautiful it is looking. So make your kandil and send videos to me.